In today's video, let me show you how to download shows on Jio Hotstar. Welcome back to a new guide video. If you're trying to download TV shows from the platform of Jio Hotstar so that you can watch it later on even when you don't have internet connection, in this video, let me show you the process. Now, in order for you to download these shows or even movies, you'll need to have a subscription first of all. If you're now just using a free plan, in order for you to download movies to watch later, you need to have a subscription. So there are three subscriptions that you can choose from: the mobile, super, and premium. Make sure you select one of these and make sure you tap on subscribe on the bottom right. Now, once you have been subscribed to a plan, in order for you to download shows, just tap on any show that you're trying to download. Once you open it up, you're going to see all of its seasons, whether you're trying to download shows or web series. In order to download it, just tap on the download arrow on the right hand side of a particular show. As soon as you tap on the download option, the show will be available and will be downloaded in the download section. The download section will be visible right here besides the My Space section. So you can head over to the download section even when you don't have internet connection and watch all of these shows or movies that you downloaded. So that's pretty much it on the way that you download shows on Jio Hotstar. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos.